Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create some different effects using the blend tool. First, create a line with the line tool. Pipe character is the shortcut. Give the line a stroke using the / shortcut. Hold down Option to click and drag a duplicate line. Let's give this a wave effect by going to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Choose Smooth, and you can adjust the other options as you wish. Now tap W for the blend tool. Click on both lines. Double-click the blend tool to open blend options. You can double-click on a line to edit it. I'm going to make this one a dashed line. Next, let's look at a shape blend. You can use any shape or polygon. Let's give this a white stroke and change the thickness. Now copy, Command-C, and paste in place, Command-F. Resize holding down Option and Shift to scale proportionately. Go back to the blend tool, W, select both objects, double-click the blend tool to open blend options. You can change the spacing by specified steps, distance, or smooth color. Double-click an object to edit as you wish, such as rotate, resize, or change in the opacity. Next, let's look at a color blend. I have 3 circles filled with gradients. Select the blend tool, click on all 3 circles. This time, choose specified distance and a small distance so it looks smooth. Now we're going to draw a path with either a brush, pen tool, line, or spiral. Now, with the path and blend selected, go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. Now the blend follows the path, and you can double-click to go in and play with the shapes and even edit the path. Next, let's look at blending text to create a text flip. Go to the Text tool, T, to type your text or number. Convert the text to outlines by going to Type, Create Outlines, or Command-Shift-O. I'm going to give this text a gradient. You can hold Alt and click on a color of the slider and select a different color in swatches. Make a copy of the text holding Option as you click and drag. Go to the Blend tool, select both text objects, double-click on the Blend tool, and choose how many steps you want. When you're happy with the look, go to Object, Expand. Make a copy of the blend group and go to Object, Transform, Reflect Horizontal. There you go. Lastly, let's look at a wave. In this one, I'm going to use a brush or the pen tool to draw curves. Now select the blend tool in each of the lines. You may have to rotate some of the curve paths. You can choose distance or steps. If you go into Outline View, Command Y to toggle, or View Outline, View Preview, you can see the blend line path if you want to edit it. I'm giving these lines a gradient to create an illusion of depth. Now I'm going to select Overlay for the transparency. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.